Hello, grade 2 students. In today's lesson, we will talk about another type of adjectives, which is superlative adjectives. But first, let's recall what adjectives are. Well, adjectives are describing words. They are not only used to describe nouns, but also to compare them, as we previously learned with the comparative adjectives. And to know the difference between comparative and superlative adjectives, let's look at the following pictures. Strong, stronger, strongest. Short, shorter, shortest. So what are superlative adjectives? Superlative adjectives are adjectives used to compare between three or more people or things. And the following sentences will help us understand well the concept of superlatives and to find out the spelling rule to form these adjectives. Let's get started. This is David. David is a smart boy. Look at Joy. Joy is smarter than David. Joy is the smartest student in the class. In sentence number 1, smart is a describing word. It is not used for comparison. In sentence number 2, smarter is used for comparison between Joy and David. While in sentence number 3, smartest is used for comparison between more than two people. The superlative adjective here is referring to the best one among a group. Here is another example. These are Kevin, Omar, and Sam. Kevin is short. Omar is shorter than Kevin. Sam is the shortest. Short is the adjective which is not used for comparison. Shorter than is the comparative adjective used to compare between Omar and Kevin. The shortest is the superlative adjective comparing Sam to the other boys. And now it is time to learn the spelling rules to form the superlative adjectives. For short adjectives consisting of one syllable, we add the before the adjective plus est at the end of this adjective. For example, how can we get the superlative of the adjective loud? We add the plus loud plus est, the loudest. Loud, the loudest. Some more examples are sharp, the sharpest, old, the oldest, neat, the neatest, calm, the calmest, and fast, the fastest. And similarly to the previous rule, short adjectives ending in a vowel and a consonant follow the same steps, but we double the final consonant before adding the est. Let's make the superlative adjective of sad. Sad is a short adjective ending with a vowel A and the consonant D. The saddest with double D. Let's read some more examples. Big, the biggest. Hot, the hottest. Fat, the fattest. And thin, the thinnest. For short adjectives consisting of one syllable and already ending with E, we just add st instead of adding est at the end of the adjective. Let's make the superlative of the adjective nice, which is already ending with E. We write the before the adjective plus nice plus st. Nice, the nicest. Some more examples. Wide, the widest. Huge, the hugest. Rare, the rarest. Large, the largest. And brave, the bravest. For adjectives ending with Y, we drop the Y, then we add IEST. So the rule is to write the before the adjective, then to write the adjective without Y, and finally to write IEST. Let's look at the picture and make the superlative of the adjective funny ending with Y. Funny, the funniest. Some more examples of adjectives ending with Y are silly, the silliest, lovely, the loveliest, pretty, the prettiest, and happy, the happiest. Long superlative adjectives consisting of 3 or more syllables have a different rule. The most plus the long adjective. Let's count the number of syllables in the adjective expensive. Expensive. 3 syllables. This means that the adjective is long and the superlative of expensive is the most expensive. This dress is expensive, but the ring is more expensive than the dress. And the car is the most expensive. Let's read the following adjectives and make their superlatives. Interesting, the most interesting. Beautiful, the most beautiful. Courageous, the most courageous. Elegant, the most elegant. So kids, after we learned about adjective, let's make a quick review for comparatives and superlatives. Light, lighter than, the lightest. Heavy, heavier than, the heaviest. Cute, cuter than, the cutest. Mad, madder than, the maddest. Careful, more careful than, the most careful. Kind, kinder than, the kindest. Intelligent, more intelligent than, the most intelligent. We'll see you next time to learn about superlatives. Bye bye.